Before purchasing, make sure to measure the entire area to determine how many panels and gates you will need. Start by laying out your panels in the order you want them. Next, drive your first spike into the ground using a block of wood and hammer to avoid chipping the paint. Make sure the wings of the spike are flush with each other and drive until the top of the wings are flush with the ground. After the spikes are in the ground, simply attach the panel by inserting the spike through the bottom legs. Continue this process for all panels and spikes until installation is complete. The decorative garden gate is sold separately and easily attaches to panels.